Hi there, I'm meteorologist Chikage Windler. So we are just hours away from the first freeze of the season for some parts of central Texas. Freeze warnings in effect for the hill country. But what about the Austin area? Right now I'm thinking Friday morning will be the night, or the time I should say. Cold now and not much warming later. A very prolonged period of unseasonably cool weather right now in tonight's Chicks Chat. Alright, so let's start with the warnings, shall we? Mason County went into effect at 10 p.m., continues until 10 a.m. As for Burnett, Blanco, Gillespie, and Llano counties, 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. Wednesday will be the time you're under a freeze warning, including Blanco, Johnson City up toward Marble Falls, Lake Victor, west toward Mason, Loyal Valley, Llano, Willow City, Fredericksburg, and Harper. Now that gets you through Wednesday morning. Then Wednesday night into Thursday morning, a new freeze watch, this one from Milam County, does include Rockdale, Thorndale, Milano, up toward Cameron. Now, so far, we haven't had any advisories for Austin, but I think that will change. It's likely we'll be close to a freeze by Thursday, and again, likely freeze by Friday morning. X-Vision radar showing clouds to the south, clearing to the north. The more clearing we have, the lighter the winds, the more likely we will see that first freeze. In case you're wondering, the average first freeze date for Camp Mabry is December 2nd. So when we see that 32 or colder on Friday, it's going to be a couple weeks ahead of schedule. But for Llano, November 9th is your average, so no big deal. This is typical for this time of year. Interesting also to note that last year, right around this time, we saw our first freezing temperatures, and record lows were set out at ABIA on the 13th and 14th of November 2013. We may rival some of those records from a year ago out at the airport. We'll keep you updated on that. Forecast low temperature, 24 San Angelo, 27 Mason, 30 Marble Falls and Burnett, 32 in Georgetown, 36 in Austin, and with more cloud cover down along the I-10 corridor, LaGrange, warmest spot at 38 degrees. Future track showing generally those clouds to the south and east of Austin. Here again, we're looking at those temperatures hour by hour, and I think future track is just a smidge warmer than what I think we'll actually see. So it's got Mason at 30, 33 in Marble Falls by morning. By midday and into the afternoon hours, only a high of 51. Most of the hill country staying in the 40s for high temperatures. Then we do this all over again. By early Thursday, we're in the 30s yet again. And then by Thursday afternoon, only 44 is what Future Track is saying. I think we'll probably nudge up to around 46 or so. Then Friday, the core of the cool is over us, and you can pretty much plan on a freeze area-wide. Notice on this map anyway, San Marcos and LaGrange are at 33. I think they'll be colder than that. So the peak of the chill is on Friday. Upcoming weekend, we got some moisture coming out, 30% chance of some stray showers on Saturday. Luckily in the morning, 38 degrees, so it should be warm enough that we don't have to worry about icing. At least that's the way it looks at this point. Cold front comes through Saturday night into Sunday. Behind that cold front, more cool weather. We could see another close to a freeze as we head into Monday and Tuesday mornings. As for warm-up, there are signs that a week from Wednesday we could finally nudge into the 60s, maybe even 70s.